Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today we're taking a look at the Poco M6 Plus 5G, a budget-friendly smartphone that promises a large display, a surprisingly powerful camera, and a long-lasting battery, all at an attractive price point. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Big display for entertainment and more. The Poco M6 Plus 5G boasts a large 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. While not the most advanced display technology, it should offer a decent viewing experience for everyday tasks, browsing the web, watching videos, and even some gaming. A peak brightness of 550 nits ensures some readability outdoors. Corning Gorilla Glass provides some protection against scratches and minor bumps. Capable performance for everyday needs. The Poco M6 Plus 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor. Paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. You can choose between 128GB of storage, and you can expand storage further with a microSD card. Surprisingly powerful camera for the price. The Poco M6 Plus 5G is expected to surprise with a dual camera system on the back. The main sensor is a whopping 108p with PDAF, which could capture detailed photos in good lighting conditions. A secondary 200p depth sensor is likely there to assist with portrait mode shots. While we haven't seen image samples yet, the high megapixel count on the main sensor is intriguing for a budget phone. On the front, a 13MP selfie camera allows for video calls and casual selfies. Built to last with essential features. The Poco M6 Plus 5G boasts an IP53 dust and splash resistance rating, providing peace of mind against light splashes. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor offers convenient security access. The phone retains the beloved 3.6mm headphone jack, a feature missing on many higher-end phones these days. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Poco M6 Plus 5G packs a 5030 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 33W wired fast charging. Poco M6 Plus 5G, a budget-friendly option. With a starting price of around 140 EUR, the Poco M6 Plus 5G looks to be a compelling option for budget-conscious users looking for a large display, a surprisingly powerful camera system, and a long-lasting battery. The phone also boasts a 3.5mm headphone jack and a decent amount of storage. However, the processor might not be ideal for demanding users, and we'll have to wait and see how the camera performs in real-world scenarios. Looking for a big screen phone with a powerful camera and a long-lasting battery at a budget-friendly price? The Poco M6 Plus 5G might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Poco M6 Plus 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more upcoming tech news and reviews.